All right, good morning. If you're watching this, I have posted this video on Dojo. There's a handful of students who I'm noticing are logging on to Canvas because I see it on my end, but have not turned in any discussions, have not responded to any of the jokes, have not completed any of the exit slips. So I want to make sure that this is new for you. You know how to navigate through Canvas, and you know how to get through all the work that I have set up. This is the first week, so we want to get all these out of the way so that by week 2, we have a routine going, because I don't really change what you do every day. So once you know how to do it, it should be fairly easy. But I do not want since we're going to be here at least for the entire month, I will be looking at participation grades and that you're just attempting. So we want to correct any issues if you're having a hard time logging on. So I am logged on right now. You're my screen as a student. So this is your view. This is by going on launch.ocps.com, which all of you have gone throughout the year, either to work on Reflex or to go on iReady, which is also here. But the one we're going on, and most of you are logging on, is Canvas. So we're going on Canvas. Once that loads, okay, you're going to see, don't mind these, but you're going to see on this side is your inbox. That is any messages that me or Miss Backus send to you. Side note, Miss Backus has reached out to me where she is noticing that some of you are completing assignments on my end on math, but not going into her box. So I'm going to show you here as well where to do that. So on here where my mouse is circling, that's your inbox. Any messages from me or Miss Backus, you can find here after you log on. Another important section is right over here. It's your to-do. Usually anything that's due for the day or the week will all be here. A contact me, day 1, day 2, all this stuff you want to try and complete. Now, when you look at your dashboard, these are all your classes. Number 1 and 2 is you always want to focus on Miss Backus's distance learning with the puppy on there. And then mine, which is San Juan Distance Learning. I know our special areas have also created courses for you with Miss Morris, Miss Winterroad, and Coach Chance and Coach Neeson also. But we're going to focus on how you can access Miss Backus and how you can access my class here. So we're going to go in my class. When you click on my class, you'll see just this regular home screen. What you need to do is, if you're not going to follow here and see what your to-do is, then just please check your inbox daily and go to modules. Every day you should be going into modules. That's going to be your favorite button. When you click on modules, something's going to open up like this. And here's everything so far. Wednesdays has not opened yet. So it will open, as we're speaking right now. I'm filming this the day before, so it will unlock. But here's Tuesday and Monday. If you complete it, you will get a green check mark or something to show that you have done it. So you want to go through each module. It'll say, it could look like this as well. But it's dated, guys. So you want to click on Monday, when it was Monday, and go through it in order. It's very important that you go through, and when you get into each one, there will be a next button that you can just go to the next thing in the module. You hit the next button, it'll go to the next thing. All the way through until you see the daily exit slip. Every day that will be the last thing you do for the day. So until you've reached daily exit slip, you have not completed all the work for that day. Now, like I said, it's not due until Friday, but you don't want to get behind because this is about the same amount of work every day. So if you leave this all to one day, you're going to have to do 5 days worth of this amount of work. So you want to pace yourself and just do it every day, and just go through the modules. So tomorrow when Wednesday comes, you'll see Wednesday's work. You'll watch the daily greeting video, fan favorite, and then just go through until you get to the exit slip. It's very important you don't skip, especially the whole group lesson, because the whole group lesson will tell you how to complete the practice. The practice will help you so that you do well on the exit slip. And we are doing, it's practice right now, but you are setting yourself up as in a routine and using the strategies to do well as we go on. So that's pretty much how you access your work every day. If we go back to dashboard, which is this button here, the second button in the blue, it'll take you back to the classes, and then you can go to Ms. Backus after you're done with math, or vice versa. Here it's the same thing. You would go to her modules and follow her stuff for Monday, for Tuesday, and then her Wednesday will release when it's ready. Keep up with the work, guys, and again, if you have any questions, please contact me or Ms. Backus.